Here I've got LeEco Le S3 and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select battery, then go to power saving management, and here you should open battery assistant. And simply by tapping on this switcher you can activate power saving mode. As you can see, now your device is in low power solution, and also the sign of the battery has changed, so you can recognize that you are in low power solution now. Then you can switch it off the same way, and now you are back in the normal mode. You can also activate turn on automatically function. Simply click on this tab, and now you can select one from the following options, so at 10 or at 20% of the battery. I will pick 10. So from now on, every time your battery is lower than 10%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. So that would be all. This is how you can save power in your device, how you can extend battery life in LeEco Le S3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.